Hello friends, welcome back to my channel MotorBeast. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be a Ashok Leyland LS. So here you can see it's a goods vehicle. Today I'm going to review of Ashok Leyland LS. So Ashok Leyland badge here, and first is first Ashok Leyland logo. And coming to the bumper, here you can see the hard plastics, and here you can see the toning hook. So I can't now. So yeah, here it is a toning hook. So these are the halogen lights. There is no LEDs and all. These are the indicators, again bulbs. So these are dummies, and here it is the indicator of front. So these are the front wipers. So front engine it is. So coming to the side profile, so this is the tires of MRF, and the tire profile is 185 14 inches tires. These are 14 inches tires, and there is no alloy wheels on this offer, but the price segment is very high. So door handles are plastics, side mirrors are good view. And coming back, here you can see the battery box. So battery is small and the box is big, so it's a off the market building. And there you can see the silencer. The silencer sound is very nice, I will show you. And this is a body on frame vehicle. So here you can see the body on frame. This is BS4 engine, and I will soon review the BS6 also. So this is a silencer filter, so nice sound because of that. So here you can see the complete engine from outlook. So this is a body. So without body it cost around rupees 70 to 80,000 difference of this. So it is extra body. And coming to the rear, so here you can see the body. This is a spare wheel, so I don't know the size of the spare wheel, so I can't take a risk now. And these are the extra safeguards. So tail lights, here you can see again bulbs, and reverse bulb, indicators are bulbs. Number plate is here, completely it has bent now. And here you can see the boot space. I cannot, it's a boot space, not, it's a good space, so sorry for that. And the capacity of this boot space is 1500 kgs as Ashok Leyland said. And here you can see the side profile of it. So nice color, unique color of Ashok Leyland. So there is no color other vehicles of it. So this is a petrol tank. It's looking like DCM's tank, so its capacity of 40 liters of petrol tank. The disappointing me is, no, it's not disappointing me because it has a key entry of fuel lid. So here you can see the fuel flux from here. Coming to the front door, so there is no door pockets, no nothing, and no bottle holders. Here you can see the off the market speakers. These are the manual adjustable windows, and here you can see the handle of the door, so large enough to go inside. So here you can see the side seat. So it's adjustable only to the front. I don't know how it is very difficult. So yeah, it has a adjustable of back also, so very less adjustable. So here you can see the back, very practical vehicle it is. There you can see the jack, and this is Ashok Leyland extra seat of center. It cost around rupees 3,000 more. Wow, what a price of this, around 3,000 more. So coming to the front, here you can see the thing in very difficult here. So this is a position of Ashok Leyland side seat. So glove box has a decent size, and also plus point of this lock system. Yes, here you can see the lock system of it, very security. So no nothing hard on plastics. So coming to the here, no mirror, no light, nothing. Here you can see the holder of front side passenger seat. So dashboard is very unique design, but now it is very dusty, sorry for that guys. And from outside walk around video, nothing to say in this. So interior also nothing much to say. Let's go to driver seat and see. So here you can see the Dost badge again. Dost LS model it is. It has LS, LX, and some 3 variants are there. So Sabo AutoZone. So coming to the other side also, no door pockets, no body holders, same as off the market speakers I will show, but the cheap and the best speakers I can say. And seat adjustable as a front back, and it's a manual adjustable. So of course it's as a manual adjustable of goods. So here you can, this is the keys of Ashok Leyland. So keeping inside, listen the door sound, how very loud it is, sorry for that, very loud of door sound, very irritating for me. And no, very uncongestible driving seat position, it has to be changed because of, see here, handbrake has completely side around, and gear lever is completely side to me. No audio system, it's a off the market audio system. Proner, the cheap and the best speakers are came. And here you can see the charging socket. Here you can see the light adjustable levels, and these are dummies. Wow, it's a special feature, that is phone holder, mobile holder on this Ashok Leyland. Very good. And nothing, all the dummies are there, no adjustable of steering, etc. These are the controls for lights, these are the control for wipers. Horn is very small, I can say, of this vehicle, but the price is very high. Coming to the instrument cluster, so only digital meter, small digital meter you can see here. It has a fuel indication and odometer, trip A, trip B, odometer and time. This is a manually what we call as speedometer, not digital at all, it's only a normal speedometer. So now let's start Ashok Leyland. It is, while only pressing the clutch, it will start the vehicle, and it is very difficult. Steering is like DCM way of look and also a design, but the difficult way it is, if we add a stomach of driver, so it is very difficult for them. And see the gap between the driver position and the steering, very difficult. It has to be changed somehow front. And dashboard has nice hard of plastics. Here also no light, no mirror, no auto dimming, no manual dimming at all. And here you can see the light, it has in white color. Wow, so the feeling because of all our mirrors at all round. And coming to here, you can, it has a jack, practicality, very some space, not so much, to keep body holders, etc. Here seats are not so comfortable. Under thigh support is good for driving, and headroom is also a good, but the lumbar support is not so good, I can say, of this price segment. I'm saying very times because price is very high on this vehicle. So matting here, you can see those logo there, Ashok Leyland logo here, so they forgot here anytime. So that's it guys of interior of this vehicle. So this is the vehicle sound of the Ashok Leyland. So nothing much in the instrument cluster, also nothing so to look. Lights are very low at the night time, so gates are very hard, I will say, in the test drive. So wipers are also not so good, I can say. Now it is very hot inside. I will remove the windows. So here you can see I am sitting on the tire exactly of the front, so that the seating position is like this. Very difficult of driver seats, and I am disappointed of this Ashok Leyland because of this driving position. So let's go to test drive and see what is there. So I'm in the first gear at 20 speed, second gear at 40 speed, and gears are very difficult and very hard, I can say. Actually it should not be like that, but the gears are very hard. And I'm at the fourth gear. Let's check the brakes. Brakes are very good, and suspension also very nice on this vehicle. So but really disappointing is the gear rod, it's not so good, and clutch is somehow harder side. And of course it's a goods vehicle, it will be harder side on clutch. And at the mid range it is very nice. Now the speed is 60, no RPM meter at all, and there is no, company has said that of bhp of power and torque, but the cc of this is 1.5 liters. It has a 1500 cc, not so 1500, also 1487 cc it has, and 40 liters of fuel tank capacity. The mileage is Ashok Leyland is giving these around 25 to 30, and mileage is also good, around 40 liters. So this is a Zairabad highway. I'm driving the Ashok Leyland. Sorry for the dusty of vehicle. So RPM meter is very soon raving. Gears should be shift very fast, and gears are very hard. I am irritated with that. So clutch is somehow hard. Brakes are good. Mid range is very nice, and the top range is also nice, but the steering has no feed and feedback at all, because there is no sense of steering it. So it's a body on frame. The steering is very light and delicate, I can say, because of the vehicle is empty. So I will also show when the vehicle has some goods, so how it will perform, and we'll see. Now it has a lots of sounds inside because of empty vehicle it is. Top speed it is very nice. Here you can see now it's the top speed, and it's the last speed of the vehicle, now 90. So this is the top speed of vehicle, 90. There will be a 4 brakes are drum brakes. So here you can see it has a body on roll, completely body on roll, because it is a body on frame vehicle, I can say. So completely roll. Tires are 14 inches. Because of that, the suspension is somehow nice. And first it has those has failed because of it won't have the what we call as command putties for this vehicle. And now they in BS3 to shifted to BS4, they have changed the vehicle, and now it is successfully running because of very practicality. But only the problem is gears. So I don't know, because it has not serviced, so that it has been problem. Otherwise it is have a smooth gears. I have been tested before also this Ashok Leyland, and very good view of front. Acceleration is very nice, mid-range is very nice, gear shifting is very fast. So it has a 5-speed manual transmission. So there, I don't know the bhp of power and newton meters of torque for that, so company has not announced that. And it can be capacity of goods is 1500 kgs, but up to that we can go 2500 kgs also. So I have tried that one also. So it is easily it will pull this engine. The engine performance is very nice and punchy at top speeds, and when it is empty, some sounds will come from the rear. It's not a big issue, so because of empty, when it is loaded, so sounds will be decreased some. And brakes are nice, performance is nice. The only disappointing me is price segment. Starting variant of this Dost is 7,24,000 on road Hyderabad, so price is somehow high. So going to the top variant, it will be above than 8 lakhs change something. So starting at 7,24,000 of this vehicle, so the price segment is disappointing me, somehow high. A successful vehicle I can say, because of resale value and good performance, good pickup, good pulling capacity of vehicle. Mirrors are good view and good dimension shape, side view mirrors, airy feeling cabin and unique color. It has two colors, one is this yellowish color and one in blue color. So I like this color only. So this is a review of, let's see friends, this is a test drive. Overall performance is nice, I can say. So let's see after keeping it. Hey guys, here you can see now it is completely full of load. Now it is a weight of 3 tons of payload. So here you can see it is wood, and the payload it is completely full, 3 tons more. So let's see how it will perform and give the result. So I'm so excited that first time I am driving this goods vehicle with a payload. So let's see how it will drive. So in give the performance and braking system, acceleration, etc. So let's sit inside. So this is the audio system. This is the audio quality of the market. So now I'm at the first gear. First gear 30, second gear 40. So it is somehow lacking, and now performance has reduced somehow because of 3 tons it has been kept of payload. Rear shock absorbers are completely down, and now I am at 4th gear, 60 speed. Not so bad also, I can say not so good. It's average performance, above than average. Mid range is nice, then the startup is 70 at the 4th gear. RPM meter is soon reading, and good performance. But here you can see the suspension, now it is completely outlook and it is working completely 100%. Brakes are somehow lacking due to the payload. So front suspensions are not so good, but the rear are very nice performing at the payload of 3 tons Ashok Leyland LS. See the sound of the engine completely more now than before because of this payload. It has completely doubled into 2. So also it performing very good, and performance is very nice, and mileage is also good. So it is giving around 40 kilometers per liter. Now we have tested. Ashok Leyland has not disappointed me, and I have giving this rating of 10 out of 7 to this vehicle. Very good performance. So guys, now I'm at first gear and once again I'm giving a throttle. Let's see the performance. No wheel spin and the pickup is very low. I think each gear of RPM meter is around 5000 above only. So there is no RPM meter in it. But also here you can listen the sound of engine, and fan speed is very loud when it is fully loaded. So gear should be shift very fast, and engine sound is somehow large. So I think in BS4 to BS6 has reduced the sound of engine. So soonly I will be give you the review of BS6 also, so that how the refine of the engine has done by the Ashok Leyland. So easily at the top of 60 to 70 it is reached at the 4th gear at I think 4000 to 5000 RPM. I don't know exactly, sorry for that. But overall performance is very nice. I can say I have been very impressed of this vehicle in all the kind and mileage, performance, speed, pickup, brakings and in steering. So forgot to say that steering has good feed and feedback when it is payload as full, and body on roll, body on frame of vehicle completely Ashok Leyland has done of TOS LS, and overall performance is very nice. So that the successful of this vehicle, if you not subscribed to my channel till now, please subscribe, press the bell icon, please share to your friends, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching.